Jo Marie, did you come here today in your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
To the bride, Jelen, did you come here today in your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
The people are clamoring close to the ground. My head and my heart are way up in the clouds. My love is alive, my love is alive for you.
Thank you for seeing the beauty in me and for loving me despite of all my imperfections. I can promise you na matututo ako maglaba, but I promise you na hindi ka mauubusan ng sabong panlaba. Susupply natin yan.
I forget how to breathe when your mouth whispers my name. Tell me I'm yours, tell me you're mine, never the same.
Ang hinahanap ko talaga sa isang babae, magmamahal, makalinga, at bitaot sa Diyos. At mamahalin ko at mamahalin din ako habang buhay. At sa naisip ko kagabi, na alas di ako makatulog, walang lang. Ang tunay na lalaki, gumagawa rin ng bob.
I wanna make it last forever. I wanna make it last forever. I wanna make it last forever. This is the perfect day.
Are you both ready to raise as good Christians the children whom God will give you?
Yes, Father.
I wanna make it last forever. I wanna make it last forever. I wanna make it last forever. This is the perfect day.
Ako'y sumusumpa sa harap ng Panginoon at simbahan na to, at ng mga pamilya mo at kaibigan, na lalo kitang mamahalin kung ano man ang magiging ikaw sa darating na panahon.
Thank you for still holding my hand kahit palagi itong basa. Thank you for being my travel buddy kahit alam ko di ka naman talaga gala at takot ka sa heights. Thank you for being my telenovela chatmate kahit alam ko na ang tunay na lalaki ay di nanonood ng mga telenovela.
Take a walk in the park, holding hands in the dark, steal a kiss beneath the stars.
Jo Marie, do you take Jelen here present to be your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
My love will never fail you. My arms will always save you. I will make you mine. I swear to always fight for us, and I swear no one can touch this love. Oh, I will make you
Jelen, do you take Jo Marie here present to be your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
You're all I want to hold on to, but I don't know how I couldn't see. And I've tried
Grant
Grant
us,
us,
O
O
Lord,
Lord,
to be one heart and one soul,
from this day forward,
for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do us part.
one look back and feel like I've been left alone. 'Cause
Jo
I
Marie,
know
wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
I can lose my strength and my whole world may unfold, but I'm confident with just your hand to hold, with just your hand to hold.
Jelen, wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty in the name of the Father and the God, and the Son and the Holy Spirit.
You're all I want to hold on to. It's you alone that makes me feel complete.
Jelen, I give you this as a pledge of my dedication to your welfare and that of our children, in the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
And I accept it.
One look back and feel like I've been left alone, 'cause I know that you will never let me go. I can lose my strength and my whole world may unfold, but I'm confident with just your hand to hold, with just your hand to hold.
Naalala ko sa seminar natin na kasabi, kamatayan lang daw ang pwedeng magbukod sa ating dalawa. Pero kahit sa kabilang buhay, ikaw at ikaw lang ang mamahalin ko at dadalhin sa puso ko. Vanch, Jelen Barreño, Vanch, thank you sa pagmamahal na binibigay mo at suporta sa lahat ng ginagawa ko at unawa sa mga bagay na sumasablay paminsan-minsan. Lagi ka nandiyan. Ilan.
I can't promise you na hindi na ako gagala, pero pangako ko sa'yo na ikaw ang palagi kong kasama sa lahat ng gala ko. Sabay nating lilibutin ang mundo, pupuntahin ang mga nais nating marating, kakainin ang mga pagkain na hindi pa natin natitikman, at sabay nating aabutin ang mga pangarap natin sa buhay. Kasabay ng pagbubuo natin ng sarili nating pamilya. Jo Marie Barcos Season, mahal kita sa hirap man, o sa mas mahirap, o sa pinakamahirap na yugto ng buhay natin. Hanggang sa pahintulutan tayo ng Panginoong naghihina.
Jo Marie, you may now kiss the bride. Palakpakan po natin sila.
Saludo ako sa inyong dalawa. Very proud. Naiiyak ako para akong nanay. Iyakin talaga si Ninang. Sabi ko kay Tata, magtampo ako pag hindi ako naging ninang niya.
Oh, her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know when I compliment her, she won't.
Jelen and Jones, Maraming salamat sa Diyos at kayo ay nagkatuluyan na. Talagang naayos na rin ang lahat. Para naman magkaroon na agad na tayo ng baby. Okay, salamat sa inyo. Best wishes.
For those of you who don't know me, I'm Bobby, and I'm the best man. Unaccustomed to public speaking as I am, I have been fairly nervous before today's speeches. So I'd like to start off by congratulating the happy couple Joms and Jelen. Any one of us here, like me, who has been lucky enough to spend time in their company, knows what a great couple they are together, perfectly complementing each other. Having been told the official news that I was to be Joms and Jelen best man, I went ahead and purchased a book. Actually, I get about 3. The one I decided would be my Bible for the event was called The Duties of the Best Man. It has a list of do's and don'ts for the speech, which narrowed down my options. Don't mention ex-girlfriends, don't swear, don't tell lies, don't tell mostly positive stories about the groom. So, where do I start with Joms? I'd like to finish up by saying what a great honor it's been to be Joms and I'm glad that finally Joms admitted me as a better man. So then, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure to invite you all to be upstanding and raise your glasses for a toast to Jelen and Joms. We wish them well for the future. And may they enjoy a long and happy marriage. Cheers for them.
This escape here was never gonna stay. On an island way too typical to be stuck in a day. And now the competition's overcome one day. Temptation's not a word.
To Jom and Jelen, congratulations. More kids to come. As I said with the other my kumare. Tama, John, you're the center of your life. So ikaw magdadala sa buhay yung dalawa. And the same thing, dapat magtulungan kayo ni Jelen. Any problem you encounter, dapat ay isolve nyo within yourself. That's it. Thank you and congratulations.
For a ride.
happens, kayong dalawa lang. Walang iba, kundi kayo dalawa lang parate to listen to each other. And I hope maging submissive ka kay Joda. Ganun eh, it's in the Bible. You have to accept it. And wish you more blessing and happiness. And baby soon. Thank you and congratulations.
Congrats sa inyo at sana magka-baby na kayo. Yun lang.
Jones and Palito Jilen, ang masasabi ko lang ay sana maging matagumpay kayo sa inyong buhay at sana yung inyong mga pangarap sa buhay ay magkatotoo. Yun lang at congratulations.
I'm so very proud to both of you. Just push up, always kneel down and pray and be connected with God.
Congrats! Matagal na yung pagsasama bilang magkasintahan. Sana magtuloy-tuloy yan. Walang iwanan. Sa hirap at ginhawa, magsasama kayo. Yan lang, congratulations.
Joms, Tata, congrats. Sana, alam ko, natupad nyo na yung pangarap nyo. Yung dream wedding nyo, sana magtuloy-tuloy. At yung bahay nyo, alam ko, natupad nyo na rin. At bilang panganay, proud ako sa iyo. Dahil nagtapos ka sa sarili mong pagsisikap. Yun lang, sana magsama kayo ng matiwasay. Congrats.
Neng, Joms, congratulations. Huwag mo pa iyakin si Joms, ha? Huwag mo pa iyakin mo yan. Basta ang may payo ko lang sa inyo, kahit anumang pagsubok ang dumaan sa buhay nyo, lagi kayong magpe-pray, tapos pag-usapan nyo maigi, nang kayong dalawa lang, at huwag makinig sa mga sinasabi ng iba, para maayos yung mga problema. Congratulations.
Sabi nga ng mga ninang ninyo, keep that love sa bawat isa. Kasi it's that love na mag-bind you together. And syempre, above all, as you both are, you love God. So, let God be the center of everything, of your relationship. Kasi, the cords of 3 strands, sabi nga nila, can not be easily broken. So, let God be the center of your relationship. God bless you.
Hi, girl, you just caught my eye. Thought I should give it a try and get your name and your number. Go grab some lunch and eat some cucumbers. Why did I say that? I don't know why. But you're smiling and it's something I like on your face. Yeah, it suits you. Girl, we connect like we have Bluetooth. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the
This is not our last wedding. That's what sinusure namin sa'yo because there are more weddings and more renewal of vows since magsasama kami for lifetime and we want this na i-renew yung vow namin habang magkasama kami.
You and I could be like Sonny and Cher, Honey and Bears, oh. And you and I could be like Aladdin and Jasmine. Let's make it happen like la 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 la. Hey, how have you been? I know that it's been a while. Are you tired? Cause you've been on my mind, running thousands and thousands of miles. Sorry, I know that line's out of style, but you look so beautiful on this starry night.
This may not be the perfect, the grandest wedding ever, but this is the sincere, the lovest wedding na may share namin sa inyo. And this is my way of showing you guys how much we love each other.
I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the other one so we'd equal to? And this is all based on a lucky chance that you would rather add than subtract. You and I could be like Sonny and Cher, honey and pears, yeah. And you and I could be like Aladdin and Jasmine. Let's make it happen. Babe, it's been 5 years since that special day when I asked you on our first date. I guess it's safe to say that you and I are better than Sonny and Cher, honey and pears, yeah. And you and I are better than Aladdin and Jasmine. We made it happen, singing la 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 la.
Again, thank you so much and God bless us all. Please continue to pray for our relationship na sana mas palagi kami maging strong, and your prayers help us so much. Thanks sa weather kasi hindi siya umulan ngayon. Maraming salamat.
Let me say, you look so beautiful on our wedding day.